Welcome to another day at Sanded and Branded.
Hey guys, I thought I would show you a little bit of what we got going on today at the shop. I can't say that I was the first one there today, but man, when I got there, it was already over 90 degrees. It's going to be a hot one. But Doug is already routing some of our 8x4 stock boxes. And Miss Becca is over at the belt sander sanding some of our 12x8 stock boxes because we're starting to run a little bit low. And Mr. B is over at our friend, the CNC machine, just making sure that he is rolling good this morning. Then B went in the workroom because he's working on a special project. This is a new line of products that we're going to be introducing to you guys, but wooden epoxy. This is actually a wooden epoxy wall lamp. We're going to put some lights on it. And I don't know if you guys have seen these before, but when you put lights on that beautiful blue through river right there, it just looks really cool. We're also going to have epoxy wooden tabletops, coffee tables, wall art, and a bunch of other items. So stay tuned for that. That is going to look so cool at the house on the wall. Good job, babe. Anyway, our clock guy is coming by today to pick up some of the clocks that we do for him. These are horizontal wall clocks. They're really cool. I'm really glad that we've partnered with them. That's going to be a really cool project. But today is actually assembly and packaging day for me, so I need to get rolling on that. So I got the orders out and I started putting the tops on the bottoms, just making sure everything was matched up well and all the wood grains looked well together. I also check and make sure that everything was engraved properly and everything is spelled properly. And I can't say that I'm perfect. Sometimes I miss something here or there, but don't we all? Then I went ahead and checked to make sure that all of the hinges were straight on the backs. There's B distracting me for a minute. And then I pre-drill all the holes to put the tops on the bottoms. Then I get all the screws in there. And I'm not going to show you guys this part, but after I did all that, I started putting the music in the music boxes and I put the latches on the memory boxes. But if I showed all that, this video would be way too long. So I promise I made it happen. Everything went well. We try our best to get our customers exactly what they want in a timely manner. But I really enjoy doing this. I thank God every day for the job that I have. Well, B's back at the CNC machine, babysitting him a little bit. Good job, babe. And it looks like Doug is playing in a couple boards, probably for maybe some boxes. And Miss Becca is over at our special machine that we have to pre-drill holes in the back of our boxes for us. I had a couple orders that came in late, so I got to get them engraved this morning too. So I'm getting that all set up right there to get them engraved. That's our mini music boxes that you saw right there. So I'm getting them put in there and everything going. And here they are. That's our laser engraver burning everything into the wood. Then Miss Becca brought all the boxes in that she drilled the holes for. Then we decided it was time for a little grub. I just had a couple other things that I had to put together before I could start packing. This is one of our cello hangers. We have hangers, wall hangers for a bunch of different instruments, violins, violas, guitars, basses. Oh, and ukuleles too. Then I started getting all the boxes ready to pack. And again, I'm not going to show you guys all this, but I got everything packed up and ready to go with the post office or UPS or however it had to go today. Then I went back out to the shop and checked on everybody, and looks like Mr. B is sanding down a special project that he's working on. So crazy, babe. And Doug is over at our horizontal bandsaw. Oh my gosh, what am I going to do with him? Doug is over at our horizontal bandsaw, ripping down some boards. I'll tell you what, when we had that other bandsaw, that thing always used to scare me so bad. This one is a lot better, and it really gets the job done. I really love this machine. Well, that's it for today, guys. So thanks for watching and have a great day.